I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi in your Lloyd AC. First, download the official Lloyd AC Smart app from your App Store. Make sure your air conditioner has a built-in Wi-Fi module for connectivity. Then, connect your smartphone to a reliable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This initial setup is crucial for seamless communication between your device and the AC unit, allowing you to control it from anywhere. To connect your AC, power on the unit and open the Lloyd AC Smart app. Register or log in, then follow the clear, step-by-step instructions within the app to add your specific air conditioner model. You'll be prompted to enter your home Wi-Fi network's name and password. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes, establishing a secure link for remote operation. Once connected, the Smart app unlocks a range of convenient features. You can adjust the temperature with precision, changing it by as little as 1 degree Celsius or Fahrenheit. Easily switch between cooling, drying, or fan modes, and set fan speeds from low to high. Schedule your AC to turn on or off at specific times, saving energy and ensuring comfort before you arrive home. If you encounter issues, first confirm your Wi-Fi network is operating on the 2.4 GHz band, as many smart devices prefer this. Ensure your AC unit is within a reasonable range of your router, typically within 10 meters. Try restarting both your Wi-Fi router and the AC unit. If problems persist, simply repair the AC with the app, which often resolves connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.